A groundbreaking ceremony was held for the project on Thursday. It will commence immediately and will be carried out in 3 phases over 5 years, addressing 18 streets in extremely poor conditions at a cost of 250 million Namibian dollars. Namibian-owned company Otessa Civil Engineering and Tulipamwe Consulting Engineers will handle the construction and oversee supervision respectively. Speaking at the event, Deputy Minister of Works and Transport, Veiko Nekundi, emphasized the importance of maintaining and improving road infrastructure to accommodate the increasing volume of heavy commercial vehicles accessing the port of Walvis Bay.
This in turn has led to the access demand on the structural and geometric requirements of some of the existing Walvis Bay streets, which are now old and dilapidated. These roads were not designed to sustain the current level of heavy traffic.
Road Fund Administration Chief Executive Officer Ali Ipinge stated that despite committing nearly 250 million Namibian dollars to the Walvis Bay road projects, there remains a shortage of funds to maintain all roads nationally.
We require in Namibia to effectively maintain our national roads and our urban roads and streets countrywide. We need about 5 billion Namibian dollars per annum. That is a resource that we require. At the moment, we are generating roughly about 3.5 billion. So there is a massive shortfall in terms of the needs that we have to cover.